I'm going to give you my special flavor of learning bass clef notes. This is the bass clef. Looks kind of like a backward C with two dots. Bass. Yes, it has the same spelling as the fish, but in music it's pronounced bass. The bass clef is used for low notes that live down under. They live down under middle C the same way Australia is down under the equator. Australia is famous for their special way of saying hello, GDA'y. And this is the chunk I'll use for showing you the landmark notes of the bass clef. They are all on lines. The bottommost line is G, the middle line is D, and the top line is A. Here's why this works so well. For the treble clef, you have face for the space notes. For down under, you have GDA'y for the bass clef line notes. And you may be thinking to yourself, hey, we don't know all the lines. That's okay. 3 is enough. You may also be wondering again, well, what about the space notes for the bass clef? For now, let's just focus on using intervals rather than memorizing every single note. This only works once it's automatic. So get next to a keyboard and play and say your GDA notes, your GDA'y notes. Here's G, D, A, G, A, D, A. I created a level on Note Rush to practice and cement these GDA'y notes. Now that you know the landmarks for the bass clef down under, you can learn to navigate learning intervals. So check out my other videos in my music reading series, and we'll get you reading music faster than the speed of thought.